Thinking about scaling up your solar power system after the initial install? You're not alone, and guess what? It's usually doable. But there are some things you gotta keep in mind. So, here's the deal. Most solar setups, especially the cool ones with batteries, are modular, meaning you can add more panels or batteries later if your energy needs grow. First off, check if your inverter can handle extra panels, or if you'll need a bigger one. Then, think about your roof space. You need enough room for more panels without messing up the angles or shading. Also, when adding batteries, make sure they're compatible with your existing system to avoid any weird tech headaches. Don't forget to check your electrical panel capacity because sometimes it limits how much you can add safely. It's a good idea to chat with your installer before making moves so they can guide you on the best path. And keep an eye on your budget. Adding stuff later might cost a bit more than doing it all at once. Lastly, remember that expanding your system can increase your savings on energy bills over time, so it's usually worth it. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when scaling up solar power systems is not verifying if their inverter supports expansion by end. This can cause system failures or inefficiencies, so always check specs first. Another common slip-up is ignoring roof limitations like space and shading. No matter how many panels you want, if the roof can't handle it, you won't get the results you want. Lastly, people sometimes forget to ensure their electrical panel and wiring are upgraded or compatible with the new setup, which can lead to safety issues or costly fixes later. Having a pro assess these details is super important. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome platform that helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors for projects like solar installations or expansions. For contractors, it's a great way to find new clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills to people who really need them.